Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term 42. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, 42 is a number symbolizing the answer to life, the universe, and everything. People use it when they want a humorous or mysterious answer to a complex question. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. 42 first showed up in the late 1970s sci-fi novel The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among fans of the book and science fiction communities. Now let's check out how to use 42 in a sentence. Correct example 1. She always jokes that 42 is the answer to life whenever someone asks a tough question. Correct example 2. I don't know why it's true, but 42 always pops up in those deep discussions. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said 42 at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using 42 right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. 42 means a number symbolizing the answer to life, the universe, and everything. It started in a 1970s sci-fi novel, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with 42 in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.